Hello kids, let's continue learning how to write the alphabet. Now, we're going to write the letter E uppercase. Now, let's start at the top, go straight down, then go back to the top, then draw a horizontal line to the right. Then we do the same thing in the middle and on the bottom part. Now let's go to the lowercase e. Begin in the middle, draw a small horizontal line going to the right, then make a curved line to the left, making a half circle. Amazing! Now you are good enough to write the uppercase and lowercase e. Keep on practicing. You're getting better with each try. Check it out in the description below. You can download our free practice handwriting worksheets and watch more of our videos. Don't forget to like,